Hi, welcome to Banyan. It's voting season again for the AIN FBO survey. Banyan has always ranked in the top 10% of all FBOs, and we couldn't have done it without you. It would mean the world to us to earn your vote again this year. Voting is very easy. It only takes 2 minutes. Let me show you. From your browser, go to ainonline.com/FBO survey. Enter your username or email address and your password. Here we're going to enter our airport code. In this case, it's going to be FXC, Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport. And choose your preferred FBO, Banyan Air Service. At this point, please go ahead and click your scores for Banyan. We will appreciate if we can get 5 in every category. You can make any comments that you prefer, and you can name your recognized employees at the FBO. And then submit. If you have already voted in the past for Banyan Air Service, just click Affirm to cast your vote. And that is all there is to it. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you at Banyan Air Service soon.